tutorial, you're going to need to have installed both Visual Studio Code and Python. To start, let's open Visual Studio Code. You'll be greeted by this welcome page. Now click Open Folder and navigate to the folder on your computer where you want to keep your Lego code. Once you have done that, go to the top of your screen and click on Terminal and then New Terminal. Here it's going to open a terminal at the bottom of your screen, and you want to start by typing python-m-venv.venv. Once that command is run, you want to type source .venv/bin/activate. This is going to set up and activate your virtual environment so that you can install your packages. Now we want to install the package that will let you code your Legos. So you want to do pip install Lego Education. Finally, now that the package is installed, we can create our first program. Click New File here, or right click here, New File, and then name your program whatever you want, like My First Program, and end it in .py to make it a Python file.